Welcome back to Bike Lab, your trusted space for all things adventure, engineering, and off-grid living. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting innovations to roll out of Australia in 2025, a brand new, homegrown camper van that's changing the game for van life enthusiasts and road trippers alike. Built with rugged terrain, sustainability, and digital nomadism in mind, this van is not just a mode of transport, it's a full-fledged mobile lifestyle solution. Designed for the outback, ready for the world. Australia is known for its extreme weather, remote destinations, and challenging off-road routes. So, when an Aussie company builds a camper van, you can expect it to withstand just about anything. This 2025 Australian-built camper van is engineered specifically for the unique demands of the outback, but its versatility makes it equally suited for coastlines, cities, and international adventures. With a reinforced composite chassis, increased ground clearance, and all-terrain tires as standard, this van doesn't just handle rough roads, it thrives on them. Whether you're traversing corrugated desert tracks or navigating wet forest trails, this van holds its own without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Fully electric, fully capable. One of the most significant leaps forward is that this camper van is fully electric. Gone are the days of relying on diesel engines and noisy generators. Powered by a state-of-the-art lithium iron phosphate battery pack, the van offers an impressive range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge. Integrated solar panels on the roof contribute to recharging on the go, and regenerative braking technology adds even more juice back into the system during downhill drives. For those venturing far off the grid, the van includes a portable solar array that can be deployed at camp to keep the energy flowing. Fast charging capabilities mean that even when you're back in civilization, you can recharge to 80% in under 45 minutes at compatible stations. Sustainable materials and smart interiors. Inside, the camper van continues its eco-conscious theme. The interior is crafted using sustainably sourced Australian hardwoods, recycled composite panels, and low-impact insulation materials. These not only reduce the carbon footprint of the vehicle but also deliver superior thermal regulation in both hot and cold climates. The floor plan is smartly designed to maximize every inch of space. It features a full-size bed that folds into a lounge, a compact kitchen with induction cooktop, a filtered water system, and a pop-out dining area. Storage solutions are hidden within the flooring and walls, ensuring that minimalism doesn't mean sacrifice. LED smart lighting, an app-controlled climate system, and a full Wi-Fi and 5G network hub make this camper van as tech-friendly as it is eco-friendly. Whether you're editing drone footage in the bush or taking Zoom calls from the beach, you're covered. Adventure-ready modularity. Another standout feature is the van's modular build. Buyers can choose from multiple layout options depending on their lifestyle, solo travel, couple van life, or family escapades. Optional extras include a rooftop tent, exterior shower, bike rack with integrated repair stand, and even an outdoor kitchen module that slides out from the rear. What's more, the rear cabin is removable and can be swapped with alternative modules, transforming the van into a cargo hauler, mobile workshop, or even a mobile retail booth for entrepreneurs on the road. The level of customization here is unmatched and makes the van more of a platform than a fixed unit. Off-grid tech and water freedom. Off-grid living requires smart systems, and this van delivers in spades. A 100-liter fresh water tank, 50-liter gray water tank, and integrated water purification system mean you can refill from rivers or rainwater without concern. The smart monitoring system tracks water, energy, and waste levels in real time through a dashboard app. For food storage, there's a low-power upright fridge and freezer combo, and the kitchen boasts ample counter space along with a slide-out pantry. A composting toilet and optional wet bath module round out the van's off-grid credentials, allowing you to go longer between pit stops without compromising hygiene or comfort. Safety and connectivity. When you're traveling in remote areas, safety is critical. This camper van features advanced driver assistance systems including 360-degree cameras, automatic braking, blind spot alerts, and adaptive cruise control. The structural build has been reinforced for rollover protection, and the vehicle can send out an automatic emergency beacon with GPS coordinates in case of critical failure or accident. An integrated satellite communication system ensures you're never completely out of touch, no matter how deep into the wilderness you travel. For families or solo adventurers, peace of mind is built right in. Pricing, availability, and final thoughts. The 2025 Australian-built camper van starts at an estimated $130,000 for the base electric model, with fully equipped packages reaching up to $170,000 AUD. It's a significant investment, but one that comes with unparalleled capability, sustainability, and comfort. Pre-orders are currently open, with delivery beginning in Q3 of this year. In a world rapidly shifting toward electric mobility and sustainable living, this van isn't just a response to the trend, it's a bold redefinition of what van life can be. Whether you're chasing sunsets along the Great Ocean Road or plotting a transcontinental escape, this rig is ready for whatever you throw at it. Outro, subscribe to Bike Lab. That's it for today's deep dive into the most forward-thinking camper van of 2025. If you love exploring gear that pushes the boundaries of adventure, be sure to subscribe to Bike Lab and turn on notifications. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. We'd love to hear where you take this van first. Until next time, ride free and live smart.